Hello, this is Katie and I have another Relax and Craft subscription box opening for you. So we're going to have a little peek inside. I have just opened this little bit here just so it's not too noisy, but I haven't opened anything else yet. So you can see what we get. So this is Relax and Craft. So if you want the link, it is right down below this video and you'll get the gist of what you actually get. It's basically a jewellery making subscription box. All you ever need is your basic tools. So your basic set of pliers, so your chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, side cutters, and that's about all else you will need. Everything else is provided, and you get tutorials, you get a Facebook group. It's absolutely fantastic, and each month is a different medium, and look at the amount that you get in here. It is so cram packed, and we've got lots of gemstones in here. So let's take a look at what we've got. What should we look at first? We always go for the biscuits. So this is your relax part, so you can relax, get you some information. So I've got some nice ginger tea, I've got some golden oat biscuits, really good quality biscuits as well, and that is my relax part, so I will be having that this afternoon. And then you get all your goodies. So, and also you usually get at least 3 of your beautiful little organza bags as well, so those are perfect for gifting as well. Shall we go straight in with gemstones? Let's do it. Let's go straight in with the gemstones. These are beautiful. We can see that wonderful green there. I can tell you right now that will be aventurine. These are 8mm rounds. Absolutely beautiful, and look how many you get. It's a full strand, so if I just double that up so you can see exactly, you've basically got a whole necklace there just to start with. I mean, that's if you just went really basic and just threaded them up, which you've got the threading materials, as we can see. We'll get to that in a second. So these are plum blossom tourmaline. Look at the sparkle. They are faceted. They look like they are 3mm rounds, faceted. Look at those, and that is plum blossom tourmaline. I mean, I would pay for the box just for that strand. I think that is absolutely amazing, beautiful. I have got so many plans for these, which I will show you. Also, I'm going to use some, I'm actually putting together one of my online workshops at the moment. I think I'm going to use some of those in one of the designs I have planned for that one too. So let's have a look here. This is, wow, gosh, there is a lot here. Wow, this is opal. This is white opal. Some of them are just like the pure white. Some have got them beautiful dendrite parts of them. They also almost look like little ferns, like in snow, you know, like when you get the sort of snow and then the little twigs sticking through, or little bits of fern. But this is white opal, really substantial drops. I love the fact that they are all the same size. They are absolutely stunning. I've got so many ideas already for those. So wow, look at all that gemmy goodness. So we've got all that white opal, we've got all of this beautiful green aventurine, and then we've got the absolutely stunning plum blossom, not jasper, plum blossom tourmaline. Absolutely stunning. So that's just the gemstones as well. So, and then we've got that little bag. So let's have a look at what we've got. This is kind of like your threading material. So obviously from just looking at the box, it's going to be your sort of basic beading, basic threading, putting everything together box. But it doesn't have to, I'm saying basic just because it is threading, but it doesn't have to be basic. You can make it as gorgeous and intricate as you like. So we've got threading material, we've got our beading thread, then we've got another threading material. This is called monofilament. So this is very, very fine. Can you see that there? It's very, very fine, almost invisible, when you use it. So that is really handy for getting your beads together, maybe making beady beads, something like that. And then you've also got some wire. So that is a 0.6mm wire. And I don't know how much we've got of this. It looks like you've got probably about 1 metre of wire. So that's, you could do some beautiful rosary linking with that. That would be amazing. And then look at this. This is jam-packed. Let's have a look. Let's empty this out. So really, really pretty bags as well this month. They must like an Easter themed bags. So we've got some jump rings. Absolute essential for making jewellery. You can't make jewellery without jump rings, because what you're going to connect things together with. So in here we have got lobster claw clasps. Got 3 of those. And then we've got clots. So those are the little pieces that end your design, so you can connect them to your clasp. And we've also got little crimps in there. I don't know if you can see them there. So little crimp beads. So those are what hold everything together inside your little calotte. So we've got everything, the mechanism to put everything together. And like I said, you got instructions on how to put everything together as well. Then we've got lots of chain in here. Let me have a quick look in here. I broke my nail the other day and they're really short. I can't use short nails. Let's have a quick look in here. Oh, we've got some bead caps. So they kind of sit on the top of your bead and make it really pretty. They would sit where the drill hole is, but then make it really pretty, like really finish it off. There's lots of things. You've got loads of those, and you've got a nice good length of chain. I've got a really nice good length of chain there as well. So I've got all of those bead caps, lots of chain, all of those sort of putting together findings. Then even more, we've got in this little bag, we've got ear wires, earring wires, and we've got your head pins, little flat-headed head pins, which are always my favourites. And we've got some space beads. So we've got these gorgeous little oval space. They're really, really nice, like elongated ovals. And we've got round spacer beads in here. These will all be silver plated. All of the findings will be silver plated. And then we've got these, which these are really fun. So you can do all sorts with these. You can link these together in like parts of a chain. You can make them into earrings. You could actually join these together by channel setting. Oh my God, I'm going to do that. A channel set some of these around here. That would look absolutely beautiful as a pendant. Maybe drop one of those opals in the middle. Yes, that is what we're definitely going to do. So I will do that, and hopefully I will be able to show you that on my channel also. Either we'll do that one or the round ones, or we'll do both so that I've got a sample to start with. So that is everything you get. I never throw away all these little bags because I reuse them for things. So you have got so much here. Just the gemstones alone is just phenomenal. That opal is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. I love these too. They're going to be earrings just for me. Yes, absolutely. They're absolutely gorgeous. I love them. I love all these gemstones. Green is my favourite colour. And then we've got this amazing tourmaline. I absolutely love it. So keep an eye on my YouTube channel for some tutorials. And I will see you soon with those tutorials. Don't forget to pop me a like on this video if you've enjoyed watching this. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell and select all, and you will never miss one of my videos. And if you're interested in a Relax and Craft subscription box, there is my link down below, and you'll be able to get all the information. It is really, really good value. I can't recommend it enough. It's absolutely fantastic. So I will see you again really soon with some gorgeous makes.